Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create pretty links on using your WordPress website so that you can make your longer links look pretty. And it's easier for you to give it out in an audio or in a video, especially when you are dropping links, for example, your scheduling page. So this is what I'm actually going to use in this example. So let's say you're doing an interview, a podcast, or a video, and you want people to schedule a call with you. You're not going to give them this, okay, schedule a call with me at https://app.acuityscheduling.com. No, it's too long, okay? Nobody ever does that, okay? So I'm going to show you how to just create a really good looking link. Now, this is using a WordPress platform, given that you have a WordPress website, and using Pretty Links plugin. Okay, so first we're going to go into your WordPress website. So I've logged into mine. I went into the plugins, and you are going to add a new plugin. So I deleted mine. And we're going to search. So actually here you can search directly, and we're going to use that Pretty Links. Install now. I'm only installing this because right here it says compatible with your version of WordPress. Now it depends. It's all up to you whether you want to install it or not. If it's not compatible, or if it says untested, like this one, untested with your version. Now you can just go ahead and, install it if you want and try it out. But if it gives you any trouble, then you may want to give a feedback to the plugin. Okay, but in any case, let's say for simplicity's sake that it's compatible. Click on activate. And you're going to see it right here on the dashboard menu. So we're going to go to Pretty Links so that you can see what that looks like. So there's nothing here yet. We're going to add Pretty Link. Now the target URL. So here I'm going to use, for example, my strategy sessions. And we're going to preview it. Oops, there's no need to that. Just going to click on that link. So then I'm going to grab this link right here on the URL bar, and I'm going to put it as the target URL. Now, the Pretty Link, which is what it would look like and what you would tell your viewers or the listeners, I'd like this to be strategy call. So I am going to direct people to rigeljones.com/strategy call. Okay, and that's what it's going to look like. You can title it. Now the title and the notes is not going to appear on. It's not going to appear when they click on the link. So you can just name that. That way you can have an identifier of what it is. So I'm just going to name this strategy session and Acuity. I'm just going to make a note that it's 30 minutes and create. Now I downloaded the free version of Pretty Links, so you can take a look at what Pro can offer for you and if that works for your business or not. I believe with Pro you can group the types of links that you have. You can also use that license for multiple websites, and so on and so forth. I believe the free version also has a tracking. So if you go in to your link, advanced options, you can track it. Yeah. So tracking, let's just take a look here. Built-in hit, click tracking. Okay. So yeah, so once you start developing and start putting this link out there and then people click on it or type it in their URL, then that's when it starts tracking. Okay. So I'm just going to cancel the update. Didn't really update anything. And now here's my link. rigeljones.com/strategy call. So for example, I'm giving you this video, and if you want to schedule a call with me, I'm going to let you know that you can schedule a call with me at rigeljones.com/strategy I spelled it right. Strategy call. And this should direct you immediately into my scheduling calendar appointment. Set up a time zone and then pick a link and pick a scheduled date. And you can do this for multiple things. So for example, you are an affiliate. I can see, if you are trying to sell a video course, for example, on behalf of someone, then you can put rageljones.com/video course or /contest. If you have a contest on Facebook, you can do so much with this. Okay. And you can also do this with your own pages. So if you have, tutorial that's hosted right on your website, you can use that as well. So you can say tutorial for pretty links. So I could even, after I record this video and I upload it on my website, I can put in a pretty link that's linking to this tutorial, rageljones.com/pretty links. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me. And again, if you'd like to schedule a call, go to rageljones.com/strategy call. And it's right here. All right. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.